What are covering today?
PickleDB. Yes, PickleDB.
What is the PickleDB?
PickleDB is a lightweight, fast, and simple database based on the JSON module. It is BSD licensed.
What are the system requirements for PickleDB?
PickleDB requires Python 2.7 or Python 3.2 plus to run.
How do I install it?
You can install via pip.
How can I import PickleDB?
You can import PickleDB like this.
How do I create a PickleDB database?
You can create a PickleDB database like this.
How do I set a key-value pair in PickleDB?
You can set a key-value pair in PickleDB like this.
How do I get the value of a key in PickleDB?
You can get the value of a key in PickleDB like this.
How do I save a PickleDB database?
You can save a PickleDB database like this.
Why is PickleDB fun?
PickleDB is fun because it is easy to use and allows users to create and manipulate databases quickly and efficiently.
Where can I find PickleDB links?
You can find PickleDB links on their official website, documentation, PyPI, and GitHub repository. Go to https://github.com/patex/pickleb.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, PickleDB is a powerful tool for creating and manipulating databases. Its ease of use and wide range of features make it an excellent choice for beginners and advanced users alike. With the latest release notes and helpful links, it's easy to get started with PickleDB and begin creating your own databases today.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.